Hello, Cornerstone. It's beautiful outside and I'm inside right now. I want to show you just a little bit about what's been going on this week on our building project. So we still are waiting for the state fire marshal to give us the go-ahead. And it's not like that's been there for a very long time, but we do expect to hear something back next week. So once we find that out, then we'll go full steam ahead on quite a few things. But in the meantime, there are some things that are still happening here, and so I want to show you what those things are. There have been a few developments this week, even though we are still in kind of a holding pattern because of the roof over this part of the building right here. But we have a door in this spot. We also have carpeting in about 2/3 of the classroom in here. We have speakers. Those speakers up there, those black things with plastic bags around them, those are speakers. And we have those installed. So when everything is up and running, you'll be able to hear the music or whatever program we have going on in here. Also, we have doors on our elevators, and the brickwork has been done around the elevator door here, so that's good to see. We have some new doors that are on our auditorium entryways. You can take a look here at these doors. Supply closet doors have been hung. These doors have been installed. And you might say, well, where's the windows in those doors? Well, there aren't any windows because this is a firewall, and that's why we have no windows. On over here, these doors have been installed. Here, and then in this nursery check-in area. See the doors here. They don't have the glass in them yet, but the doors are nice, and those will be stained. Those doors are not going to be painted. We have doors going in here. Voila, the lights just come on. This area here is a new addition area for the babies to sleep in there. Out here we have some drywall that's been installed, this whole wall here. And drywall up there. Thanks so much for tuning in again. Keep this project in your prayers. Keep all of our members in prayers. I mean, we still are dealing with this COVID pandemic thing, and there are people that are still staying away from our church services. So be praying for those folks, and also for the ones that are out and about, that they won't get infected with this virus. And just pray for our country. Just keep everybody in prayer. That's one thing that we can do about those things we don't think we can do anything about, we can do something about it. We can pray. So God bless you, and we'll see you soon.